National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 1 a.m. At 12:28 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Mazo, Maine, or 8 miles west of Sauk City, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Sauk City, Mazo, Maine, and Arena. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WXJ.